Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Supervision on a Google account using Google Family Link. This guide is perfect for parents who want to create a safer online environment for their kids. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add Supervision and manage your child's account step by step. Let's dive in. Access your Google account settings. First, open your Google browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. This is where all your account settings live. Navigate to Sharing Settings. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on People and Sharing. Under Your Family on Google, you'll see Manage Your Family Group. Click on that to open your family management page. Implement parental controls. On the Family Management page, find Parental Controls. Click the link to read about parental controls, which will take you to the Google Family Link site. This is where you'll start setting up Supervision for your child. Add a supervised child. If you haven't signed into Family Link yet, go ahead and sign in now. Then click the Add Child button. Make sure your child already has a Google account because you'll need it to set up Supervision. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your child's device to Family Link for monitoring. Once everything is set, click Done, Review and Customize Settings. After adding your child, you can manage app access, screen time, and content restrictions directly from the Family Link app or website. This ensures your child has a safe and age-appropriate online experience. And that's it. You've successfully set up Supervision on a Google account. Now you can keep track of your child's online activity and create a safer digital space for them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.